When students plan to study in Germany, one term that often creates confusion is the APS certificate. APS stands for Academic Evaluation Center and it is handled in India by APS India, working together with the German embassy. So, in simpler terms, without APS, you cannot apply to a German visa or sometimes even university admission. So, today, let's clearly understand what is APS, why it is mandatory, and most importantly, mistakes you must avoid. So, what is APS certificate? It is an academic verification process. The Germany wants to make sure your mark sheets are genuine, your degree is authentic, and your academic background is. So, after checking all your academic documents and sometimes taking an interview, APS issues a certificate of authenticity. So, just think of it like your academic passport to Germany. No APS means no visa. So, who needs APS? So, now if you're applying to student colleague, if you're applying to a bachelor's or master's or even language or pathway programs and you completed education in India, which means for you APS is compulsory. So there are 5 simple steps that are involved while you get your APS certificate. So while you have to do your online registration, then you have to submit your documents, you have to pay the fee, which is almost 18,000 rupees in Indian currency. You have to do the verification, interview or test maybe in some cases, and then finally you will get your APS certificate issued. The processing time generally takes up to 4 to 8 weeks, sometimes longer during the peak season. So planning early is very important. So let's just talk about the biggest problems the student face, and these mistakes can even delay your German dream by months. So the mistake number 1, applying too late. Many students apply for the APS certificate even after getting admission, which should not be done ideally. It is very risky because APS alone can take up to 1 to 2 months. So you can submit your application parallelly with the APS application. So always apply 6 months before your intake. Early APS is equal to stress-free admission. Mistake number 2, incorrect or incomplete documents. So usually students, they do not upload proper documents. They upload the blurred images of their scanned copies. They do not upload complete semester mark sheets. They forget to upload the transcripts and they upload the wrong passports copy, or even they upload the expired passport. So even one mistake or even one missing documents, your application will be on hold. So double check everything before you submit your application, or even if you are applying to any education consultant or if you are applying to us, make sure you are submitting the correct documents and of course on the right time. Third, mistakes generally in the application will be of the mismatch in the name and in their mark sheet and in their passport. So if your passport name and mark sheet doesn't match, make sure you apply with a proper name change affidavit or to a certain affidavit that satisfy the requirement. And even having the spelling differences makes your verification get delayed. So keep all the documents consistent. Number 4 is ignoring the APS interview. Some students think it's just a formality, but it is not. APS may ask for questions related to the subjects. They ask about your university or even why Germany. So if you can't explain your own studies, if you can't explain your ambition why you are going to Germany, they may suspect fake education. So just prepare like a real academic interview. 5th, uploading fake or manipulated documents. So never try shortcuts. Germany has very strict verification process. Fake documents can lead to rejection of your application, may even ban you from Germany. You may get the visa refusal. So just always submit the genuine records of your documents. Just remember, APS is not difficult. It's just a verification step. It takes time. Students who plan early never face problems. So don't treat APS as the last step. Treat it as the first step towards your Germany, because once APS is done, your Germany journey becomes smooth and stress-free. I hope you have liked this information. Do like and subscribe our channel Anekda for more such updates.